Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie. I'm a speech-language pathologist, and today we're going to talk about categories. So what is a category? A category is a basic group of things that go together. A group of things that have shared characteristics. They have similarities. For example, look at these pictures. Let's divide these things into two categories. These things are food and these things are toys. Now we have two categories, food and toys. Let's see if we can add more things to our categories. Here we have an apple. Where should we put this apple? Should it go in the food category or the toys category? That's right, an apple is food. It goes in the food category. Now I have a teddy bear. Does the teddy bear go in the food category or the toys category? That's right, a teddy bear is a toy. It goes in the toys category. Let's practice together. We're going to look at some pictures, and then we're going to name what category the pictures belong to. Here we have a sneaker, a sandal, and a boot. What category do these things belong in? That's right, shoes. These are all shoes. You did a great job naming that category. Let's do some more. You're going to see some pictures on the screen. Try and name the category the items belong to. Dog, cat, mouse. What category do these belong to? These are all animals. That's right. Red, blue, green. What category do these belong to? These are all colors. Great job. Lemonade, water, soda. What category do these belong to? These are all drinks. Good work. Eyes, ears, hands. What category do these belong to? These are all body parts. I am so proud of you. You're doing a great job naming categories. Let's try something else now. Now I'm going to give you the name of the category, and you are going to think of 3 things that belong in that category. For example, if I say your category is school supplies, you might think of pen, paper, backpack. There are lots of things that could belong in that category, so you might have thought of different ones than me. Maybe you thought about pencil, book, and scissors. That's fine. There are many things that can go in each category. Great job. Let's try a few more. Your category is clothing. Can you think of 3 clothing items? The 3 I thought of are shirt, pants, and socks. Your next category is shapes. Can you think of 3 shapes? The 3 I thought of are circle, square, and triangle. Your next category is sports. Can you think of 3 sports? The 3 I thought of are baseball, basketball, and football. Great work! Now you know categories are groups of things that go together. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned a lot about categories today. If you feel like you need a little more practice, just play this video again. To the parents, teachers, and SLPs watching this video, I wrote a workbook. I Can Describe and Categorize is a wonderful workbook that helps your student use adjectives to describe and categorize different items. You can download this workbook at peachiespeechie.com. We also have tons of fun t-shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags, tons of great stuff for SLPs and teachers at peachiespeechie.com. So be sure to check that out as well.